Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install Go language in a Windows 10 operating system. So let's begin. Now to install Go language, you need to first download it. So for that just simply go to your favorite browser and in here just simply type Go language, download, then enter. And then you'll be seeing this GoLang.org is basically our first search result. So just simply click on to download the Go programming language, and this will automatically going to redirect you to this official site of Go. In here, if you just scroll down a bit, you'll be getting these download options. So for Microsoft Windows, we have Go 1.16.5 version available. For Apple, we have the same, and for Linux, and also the source code is also available. So depending upon what operating system you're using, you must download with that link. I am currently using Go language for Windows. So for that, what I'll be doing is I'll be simply clicking on this Go 1.16.5 Windows AMD 64.msi installer. So I'm just simply click on that. And this will automatically going to download your Go language. I have already downloaded it, so just simply cancel it. And if I just simply minimize my browser, and if I just simply go to my download directory, you can clearly see this Go 1.16.5 has been rightly downloaded over here, and the file size is 118 MB. To install Go, just simply double click on it, and let us first minimize our download directory. And then you can clearly see our Windows installer has been rightly open, telling that welcome to Go programming language. So for installation, just simply click on next, and then you need to just simply accept this license agreement, and then just again simply click on next. So this is going to be your installation destination, that is the C program files Go. If you want to change your installation destination, then you need to just simply click on change, and you can do that. But I am going to keep this all default, and then just simply click on next. And now it's telling that it's ready to install. So for installation, just simply click on install. Yeah. And this will automatically going to start installing your Go programming language 1.16.5. You need to first simply click on yes to provide administrative privileges. So after that, you'll be seeing that this Go has been rightly started installing. It might take some time, maybe a minute or two. So what I'll be doing is I'll be coming back after installing Go. Yeah. So welcome back, and now as you can clearly see, our Go programming language has been rightly installed. So just simply click on finish, and then you need to just simply click on this search icon, and in here if you just simply type CMD, you'll be getting this command prompt option. So just simply open your command prompt, and in here just simply type Go, then enter. And then you'll be seeing these options. So all this basically mean is your Go has been rightly installed. So you can clearly see all proper commands over here. So I am going to show you a simple HelloWorld program in Go. So for that, first cancel it, and just simply right click on it, then click on new, then folder. And in here I'll be giving a folder name as Go. And let's move this folder in a proper place, and just simply open that folder. And in here what I'll be doing is I'll be simply going to create a new text document. If you have a text editor, then you need to just simply write the program inside that text editor. I am going to just simply going to demonstrate a simple hello world program, so that's why I'm just simply writing this code in a notepad editor. So depending upon your wishes, you must use your text editor. So import fmt, then function. Let's create our main function. So function main, then going to end with that brace, and then use that fmt dot println, then just going to show hello world, right? So hello world, and then just simply click on file, then save as, and let us save this file as all file type. This is very important. You need to save this file as all file type, and then let's give a file name as a helloworld.go. You need to save this file as a .go extension. So just simply write that and just simply click on save, and you can clearly see this file has been rightly saved over here. You can always delete this text document, that's for no use now. So your helloworld.go file has been rightly saved over here. So just simply click on this address bar and then just simply type cmd, and this will automatically going to open your command prompt right at your Go directory. You can clearly see it has rightly open at your Go directory. Now to run, you need to just simply type go, then run, and then you need to provide your file name. So your file name is helloworld.go. That is basically your extension. Then enter. It's telling some typos, so I have didn't write a package name correct, so just you need to correct it. So you need to just simply type package and then again just save it. Sorry guys, it was just a typo. And if you just again just run the same program, you'll be seeing hello world in our console, right? So this hello world has been rightly printed. It was just the package name that I have had some typo. So in this way you install Go programming language in Windows 10 operating system. So that's all for this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. I have this website called geekyscript.com. In here you'll be seeing various tutorials along with some blogs that I have written. So do also check out website geekyscript.com. So that's all for this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.